As you've probably noticed by now, you don't have to build every part of a model manually. The AI assistant is deeply integrated into the workspace, and it helps with three main tasks: suggesting names, generating expressions, and interactively creating or updating your model. Let's start with suggestions. Whenever you click on an empty input field, just wait a moment and the assistant will propose a value. This happens automatically whenever a new node is created, but it also works for values, labels, and comments. And if a suggestion isn't quite what you had in mind, simply move the cursor to the end of the text. After a short pause, the assistant will generate a new name based on your current prefix. The second feature, one we've relied on throughout these tutorials, is automatic expression generation. To try it out, create a new logic node. In our example, we'll add a constraint called Peter likes to hunt forest giants with a dagger. The expression is created instantly without any extra input. The third major feature is interactive model editing. To use it, open the AI panel on the right side of the screen. For example, we can ask the assistant to create a function describing duck breeds. After a moment, a new window appears with three choices: approve the model, reject it, or something not immediately obvious. Continue the conversation and refine the model further. In this case, let's approve it. Remember, the conversation history is preserved, so you don't need to repeat previous details. And of course, you don't have to generate a full model every time. Small iterative updates work just as well. You can also use files as input. In this example, we'll generate a model based on an image. Just upload the picture, add a short description, and press send. After a few seconds, the assistant will produce a full model based on the provided content. And that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or simply ask the assistant.